Okay, in this short video, we're going to look at a group of alkanes called haloalkanes, which are a common substituent group to find on an alkane. They're used widely commercially, this is taken straight from Wikipedia now, as flame retardants, refrigerants, propellants, solvents, and pharmaceuticals. A famous one that you might have heard of is a CFC, which actually is responsible for causing damage to the ozone layer, so we don't use that one anymore. Now, these are the simplest ones. So you've got ones where we've substituted on a fluorine, a bromine, and a chlorine. Now, the name of these using IUPAC, because it's a low priority, it comes as a prefix. It's a substituted group, and we have here fluoromethane, bromoethane. This is 1-chloropropane, okay, because it could be 2-chloropropane if it was on a different carbon. And this is 1-iodobutane, okay, because it's on the first carbon. So that's how you do the naming of the simple alkanes. If there's more than one, we use the prefix di. So this one here is 1,2-dichloro, and then the carbon chain is 3, so propane. And lastly, just a quick thing about the use of the production of these. So one way that we do see it produced is using the bromine water test. Now the bromine water test is actually the test for alkenes. So if we get an alkene which is unsaturated and we put it in bromine water, what happens is it adds to the double bond to make it a single bond, and it adds 2 bromines to it like that to form a sort of a dibromoalkane. Now we can see that happening visibly because the bromine water is a sort of orangey colour, orangey brown, and the product is a clear solution. So if we want to distinguish between an alkene and alkane, we simply use the bromine water test, and an alkane will stay the normal colour of bromine water, whereas alkenes will decolorize it, by doing this reaction to produce a dibromoalkane. So that's a quick introduction to haloalkanes.